July 20. Breakdown. This one's Fusion. Yeah, the office, the manager up there is towing these cars, man. She's towing.
It's tagged right now in the mail.
Okay, well, like I said, that ain't got nothing to do with me. It's up to her.
Don't take my car.
It's up to her.
Don't take my shit. That's all I'm gonna tell you.
Well, I'm telling you, you need to talk to her. It's gonna get towed, dude, straight up, man.
Don't touch my shit. That's all
Hey, I'm gonna tell you, dude, if you don't get it out of here, you need to call her. Call her, man. It's not. Hey, I'm trying to be respectful to you, dude, and I'm telling you, you need to talk to her.
So don't touch it today.
Well, I'm telling you, you need to call her. It's gonna get yanked. That's just how it goes, bro.
Will you tell her?
Hey, I ain't telling her nothing. I'm gonna tow the car, and I don't want you to get your feelings hurt later. And straight up, man.
Because it's my shit.
You know what I'm saying? This is what I do. But I respect people. I respect people how I do it. I respect people, but because that's how you're supposed to do. You know what I'm saying? That's how I do. And I'm telling you, just please call her. You know what I'm saying? Just call her.
I'm about to call her right now.
All right, y'all have a go, man. Yeah, you better call her, man. I don't think he's gonna call her. Don't think he's gonna call her. And if he don't, I'll be yanking that car. You can't tell the tow guy that, hey, I'm moving the car next week. That don't work. The tow guy, he can't leave the car because the property manager just told him to get the car off the property. That's just how it goes. I know this property right here. I know this property real well. Anyway, I'm fixing to load. I got a Honda Pilot. I'm fixing to load over here. I think I've almost hooked this car before, but what I'm fixing to do, I'm fixing to hook it now. Tag's expired. Anyway, long story short, this property's got a bunch of cars. There's a bunch of cars on this property. There's 10 cars that need to be towed right now. Anyway, we got that a Honda Pilot loaded up, man. We're gonna roll down here and grab this. I got a little Altima, Nissan Altima down here. I got a hook. Go ahead and grab it, and then I write these cars up and get them off the property. Just pull back up over here. We're back on the Audi over here. It's a it's got a 2016 plate. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna yank this Audi. Anyway, we're going to get another vehicle. This next one we're going after right now, it was in a different building. These people had actually moved this car several buildings down, and they tried to hide this car. There we go. We're back up to it. We're going to go ahead and try to get a hook on this one. got it hooked. I have to do a lockout on it now. Got to take the brake off. Got to take the e-brake off this car. I would say my blood pressure's high. My blood pressure's up a little bit. That's pretty normal. You yank cars like this and you do it all the time, it does raise your blood pressure up. I don't know how I wound up doing this kind of crap. Not how I wound up doing this job, but it's where I'm at, man. Yeah, I tell you what. Ending up where I'm at doing this kind of work was not by making good decisions throughout my life. I wound up doing this job because I made bad decisions. But either way, I'm here. This is what I do, and I do the best I can at what I do. That's all anybody's supposed to do. Just be real about what you do. Don't be fake about it, man. Try to be hard, all that shit, man. Ain't nobody trying to be hard, man. I'm just trying to do my job. This is what I do. Yeah.
This is my car.
Which one?
I'm sorry?
Which one?
I don't know what's going on.
Which car?
This one?
Yeah,
I
it's
don't
stickered.
know what's going on. So what's
It's
going
stickered
on?
to get towed.
When did I have a sticker on it?
It
Because I went in
was,
here and talked to the office.
Well, it was been moved from the 11 building.
That's what I'm saying. They
Yeah,
had
you
a
moved
sticker
it.
on
Listen,
because
you
of the
moved it.
tire.
And you moved
And
it to
I fixed my tire.
moved it to another building.
Yeah, because that's where I stay. They told me because I had a flat tire. That's why they put the sticker on it. I can't
No, it's got a July tag. It was stickered because of the tag.
I had got in an accident and I already talked to the office about that.
I understand, but it was, and I'm not. Listen, I'm not trying to be. I'm not trying to be mean. I'm not trying to be mean. I'm respectful of people, and I understand your situation. They stickered it because of the tag, and it may have had a flat too, but they put a sticker on the car, and it got moved.
The only thing that was on the sticker was the tire. I'm gonna go in here right now, but
well, listen. Hey, listen. I'm gonna tell you this. Don't go in there and make yourself look stupid. Because listen, I'm not trying to be mean. Don't go in there because they got pictures of everything. They've got it all. They got pictures of the tag and everything, and they know it was at one building. But basically, if you want to pay the car out, you can pay it out. I mean, I
only have like.
It's $100. It's $100 drop fee.
I don't have that. Like I give you everything I got right now.
I understand. It's just
you know, and my friend is. I'm trying to call her right now. Like this is all I got.
I understand.
I got $43.
I know. I understand. I understand. You didn't get no stimulus check yet?
I wish I did. Well, I'll give you the 100.
Well, you will get one. Everybody's getting them.
I didn't get one last year. I didn't get one this year. I don't get a stimulus because I don't have a job or nothing.
No, you still get a stimulus. You need to go. You need to go down there and apply for it because you're supposed to get a stimulus. How old are you?
I'm only 20.
Well, you're supposed to get a stimulus check. You need to go find out why they didn't give you no check. Seriously, you need to check on that. But I'm telling you right now. I'm hooked. And she's listen. I know. Listen, she's wanting to get the cars out of here. She's got a bunch.
Okay, look, can I do this? My mom, she stays right over here. I'll walk to her. She got her stimulus. I'll go get the 100 right now.
Well,
off the car.
Does it run? It does?
Yeah, it runs and everything. I just had to get the tire on it.
That's fine. If you want to do that,
I'll go to the ATM
here?
right now.
Is she here?
She's here. My mom, she lives here in another building.
All right, well, listen, if you want to go, get 100, that's going to be your best bet to do it. It'll save you from getting all the way towed.
Right.
I gotta go inside and sign them out, and I'll give you a few minutes. I'll wait here.
Okay, thank you.
I'll wait.
So much.
That's fine. I'll wait here.
Okay, because she's right here in the back.
That's fine. That's fine. I'll be here. I'll wait. How long do you think? 10 minutes?
Yeah. 10 minutes.
Okay. I'll be here because I gotta go inside and everything else. I'll be here 10 minutes. No problem. That's fine. I'll wait on you.
Thank you.
I will. That girl's going to get her some money. Her mama lives at the 11-6 building, I'm pretty sure. And that's why she moved the car from the 11 building down there to another building. She tried to hide that car. She didn't think she was gonna get towed. She said it was sticker for a flat tire, but right here, you can see on this car right here, matter of fact, I'll circle it, the red Eclipse. A red Eclipse has a sticker for a July tag. Hey,
We gonna give it to you now.
that's fine. Hey, just
Here, run this for 60.
oh, you
And she's gonna give you 40.
can you you have to call and get him to do it.
What?
You have to call. We don't handle
to
cards
call
anymore
you.
because
Yeah, I'm gonna just go get it out at the gas
it might be
station.
easier. It might be
Yeah,
that might be
I'm
easier.
gonna
Let me guys give you a receipt and I'm gonna mark it paid cash. Hey, this manager's pretty strict.
Okay. Well, the thing is, she
Where y'all
got
from?
a car fixed.
Where y'all from?
And she had to
Y'all from
drive
here or
it
y'all
and
from out of
drive it
state?
around- From Indianapolis,
Oh,
Indiana.
okay,
But
okay.
she had to drive it around because
Yeah.
when they was fixing
The mission
all it,
stuff, I know.
They gotta get the mission.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so she's gonna go get it. You
Yeah.
owe me
Hey.
$60.
Hey, I'm gonna back it.
Alicia paid 40.
Hey, you're what building you at? You at the 11?
Oh, she's in the back. She's in building 11.
Okay, well, I'm
Stay
gonna,
around the back.
I'm gonna come down there.
You can just drop it because he drives.
Oh, you got the key?
It's her car. It's my
I'll drop it
car.
right here.
Yeah,
Okay.
you can just let it out right here.
Okay.
She got the keys.
Okay.
Just drive.
Okay. Hey, y'all good? Y'all good? So y'all it ain't stuck here, is it?
No, we're gonna move.
Okay. Okay. Hey, y'all have a good one. Thank you. But they seem like pretty nice people. They were from Indiana. The mother said they moved here from Indianapolis. But they were pretty. All three of them were pretty nice people. Neither one of them. I mean, not either one of them were ugly or mean to me about it. They were decent people. And it does happen. Good people get yanked. When you're young, it's hard to be responsible when you're young. I know I ain't gonna sit here and tell you I was that responsible when I was 20 years old. But nonetheless, you wind up having to pay drop fees when you're young if you don't make proper decisions. But I'm going to the yard. Got this one still on the back, and we do have a bunch more cars over here, so I will be back. Anyway, we're back at the yard. We don't take nothing but cash. We don't take any of this other stuff. These people are in some kind of cartel. The VAG cartel. I'm in the tow trucker cartel. And so is all my subscribers. Anyway, we're gonna roll to the next.